In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send email notifications for Typeform responses using Zapier. By the end, every time someone submits your Typeform, an email will land in the inbox you choose, complete with the answers they provided. Start by opening your browser on your PC, heading to typeform.com, and logging in. From your workspace, click the form you want to monitor. At the top, go to the Connect section. In the search bar, type Notifications, then select Email and click Connect. Typeform will hand this off to Zapier, so you'll be redirected automatically. In Zapier, click Continue. For the trigger, click the Form field and select your Typeform from the list. Click Continue again. Next, click Test Trigger so Zapier can pull in a recent response. This helps you preview real data and makes mapping fields much easier. If Zapier shows a sample, you're good to go. Now set up the action. Click Action, then search for and select Email by Zapier. If you prefer, you can choose Gmail instead. Email by Zapier is quick for simple alerts, while Gmail can be useful if you want to send from your own mailbox. Click Continue. In the To field, enter the email address where you want to receive notifications. In Subject, type a clear subject line like New Typeform Response Received. For the body, click into the field and use the data picker on the right to insert the responses you care about. For example, you can drop in the respondent's name, email, and any answers to key questions. This creates a dynamic message that changes with each submission. Keep the body readable with short labels and consider adding a timestamp or form name so you can quickly identify the context. Click Continue to review your setup. Now click Test Action. Zapier will send a sample email using the test response you pulled earlier. Check your inbox to confirm it looks the way you expect. If you don't see it, look in your spam folder or adjust the subject and from name for better deliverability. When everything looks good, click Publish. That turns your automation on so future submissions trigger an email right away. If you ever change your form questions, revisit the action to remap fields and keep your emails accurate. Also note that Email by Zapier and Gmail both have sending limits, so plan accordingly. That's it. You've connected Typeform to email through Zapier, tested it, and published it so you'll never miss a new response again.